territories added to their territory sanctions among Somalia will be encampment and shelter for the military forces and the upcoming generation trained by Turkish government, and Spanish endeavors and defense for the tightening security of Somali borders.
Guleysta, gulla gurreyo, guleysta. Guleysta, guleysta, gulla gurreyo, guleysta.
If this is to 10 years, the systematical training forces right now by Turkish government, Somalia is out of military need, air, lands and seas, and foreign trainees. The country's armed forces are now sufficient to defend the country, with the countries expressing great shock at the strength of Somalia's defensive forces.
Guleysta, guleysta, gulla gurreyo, guleysta. Guleysta, guleysta, gulla gurreyo, guleysta.
I, Abdikhader Mohamed, directed this informative article for the demonstration of Somali national armies and trainees alongside Turkish government.